Okay, for this Canon FTB that I have, it comes with a leather case. This is a leather case. I'll show you the front, the back, top, bottom, side, the other side. Take out the lens. Aperture blade is activated through this knob. I think needs to be mounted onto the camera first before I can show. But yeah. Let me put it F16. Press it down, turn this knob. Yeah. So if I tune up. Okay. So this is the condition of the glass. This is the camera itself. Show you the shutter speed. So it's a FT, not FTB. FTQL. Let's do a timer first. Yep, so it works. 1000 shutter. 500. Okay. 250. Okay. 125, 160, 330, 130, 115, 108. Okay. 1 sec, half second. 1 second. About. So all the shutter works. Okay, so now comes the messy part. I need to show you this part. It came, then I realized that there's a battery inside which leaked. I'm not sure is it a mercury battery or not, but I threw it away, and what's left is this mess which needs to be cleaned. But after you clean, I'm not sure does the meter work, so you need to investigate that further. I'll show you the thing. Okay. So yeah, there's a mess here. So yeah, hope you can check it out later. Alright, thanks everyone. See you. Bye. God bless.